Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to ship through Offerup. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that your item has enabled shipping. Enabling shipping is something that you toggle on. So it is basically a toggle button and you can turn it on anytime you post a listing. So whenever you're making a new listing, go over to the delivery method and make sure that shipping is turned on. Now here you'll also see recommended sizes over here, so make sure to measure your box and paste it over here. So make sure you choose the proper package size. Now after all of this done, buyer can actually accept your offers and send you offers. So once you get the offer, it is up to you to accept the offer. Now it is your choice if you want your prices to be firm or if you want to negotiate. As a seller, you pay a service fee to use shipping. The fee is 12.9% of the item's total sale price. Minimum fee is $1.99. So the buyers pay all of the shipping fees and sales tax. Now once you've accepted the offer, the buyer is committed to the sale and they can't get their money back right now, so they cannot do any cancellations. However, if the buyer reaches out to you, you can voluntarily cancel the order, but you're not obligated to do it. So after you accept the offer, you have 5 days to deliver the package to the USPS location or it will be cancelled and the buyer will get their money back. Now as soon as you accept an offer, notification coming from USPS prepaid shipping label, so you can just cut it out and tape it to the box. Now after you ship the package, you will get notifications and you can track your package as well. Now if you ship your package to USPS within 5 calendar days, the process should be seamless. The buyer has 2 days from the delivery date to inspect the item and let you know what they expected. If everything is good from the buyer's side, you will get the money after 2 days of the delivery. But for example, if the item isn't what the buyer expected, they can request you for a refund within the 2 days. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.